Hello, today we are going to train your English voice with the articles a, an, and the. So first, let's have a look at these letters. These are vowels. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. If a word starts with a vowel, we use the article an. For example, orange. Orange starts with O, which is a vowel, so I will say it's an orange. Now, the other letters of the alphabet are consonants. Consonants. There are 21 consonants. So if a word starts with any of these letters, we use the article a. For example, this is a pen. Pen starts with P. It's a consonant, so we use the article a. And in a sentence, we can say it's a pen. So let's have a look. Articles are used to refer to a noun. A is used to refer to a singular object, meaning one, which starts with a consonant. For example, a cone, a trapezium, a parallelogram. An is used to refer to a singular object, meaning one, which starts with a vowel. For example, an oval, an ant, an owl. Articles are used to refer to a noun. The is used to refer to plural or specific objects. So have a look at the examples. The monkeys, the balls, the books. All of those nouns are plural nouns. So we can use the word the to refer to plurals or to specific objects. Have a look at the next line. The boy, the shopkeeper, the cat. I'm now referring to specific objects. Excellent job with articles today. Well done. Goodbye.